With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that we are going to discuss now is C2 cycle is studied in, and the options are: first is C4 plants, second is those showing photorespiration, third is both C4 plants and those showing photorespiration, and third is none of the above. Now if you talk about the C2 cycle, now what is this C2 cycle? It's a metabolic pathway for photorespiration. Okay, it's a metabolic pathway for photorespiration. Okay, in which what happens is that sugar is oxidized to CO2. Okay, so what happens is that sugars, they're oxidized to CO2 in the presence of what? In the presence of light. Now that is known as what? That is known as C2 cycle, and it is also called as oxidative photosynthetic carbon cycle. So it is also known as oxidative synthetic carbon cycle. Okay, so this is known as what? This is known as C2 cycle. Okay, and the term oxidative photosynthetic carbon cycle, it is used to be consistent with the term reductive photosynthetic cycle, which is known as C3 cycle. So the C3 cycle is reductive cycle, and this is what? This is oxidative cycle. Now if you talk about where does it studied in, if you talk about this photorespiration, now photorespiration is also sometimes called as C2 cycle. Okay, now if you talk about what is this photorespiration, it's a wasteful pathway that occurs when the Calvin cycle enzyme rubisco acts on oxygen rather than the carbon dioxide. So rubisco is an enzyme of the Calvin cycle, and sometimes instead of acting on the carbon dioxide, it acts on what? O2, and then there is what? There is photorespiration. So it is what? It's a wasteful event. Okay, it's what? It's a wasteful event. Now if you talk about why this photorespiration is also called a C2 cycle, because the first main product which is formed is the phosphoglycolate, which is a 2-carbon compound molecule. Okay, so it is a 2-carbon compound molecule. Okay, and so phosphoglycolate is later on converted to the glycolate, and this process of photorespiration converts the sugar phosphate back to the carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is why it is, for this photorespiration is also known as C2 cycle. So if we talk about where it is studied in, it is studied only in the photorespiration cells. Okay, it is studied in what? It is studied in the those plants who show photorespiration. It is not studied in C4 plants. It is only studied in the plants who show photorespiration. Okay, so the only correct option for this question will be option second, which is those who show the photorespiration product. Okay, I hope this is clear. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.